How to play Monoposto with friends on PC and mobile. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to play with your friends on Monoposto F1 Racing. So I'm going to teach you how you can get it via the PC version first. So you can go ahead and play.google.com's official site and look for Monoposto, and this is where you can actually get the download link. Simply click this option here that says install on Windows, run it, run it smoothly, and your interface and dashboard will be the same. So first is open up the application. The application that you will see on your phone will actually be the same on your PC. So these are three options that you can see on your mobile device. All you have to do is to switch it into the online race duel mode. Click that and then just simply input your friend's IGN or in-game name for you to be able to start and play with your friend. Now you can change your flag, the main color, the livery detail, and so on and so forth. Hit on start and you can go ahead and start the racing. And that is how you play Monoposto with friends on PC and mobile.